out second. Now I want you to see that that whole song started on the 4th string on the 1, 2, 3rd fret. This is a fret, and it was on this string, that rhythm. Then it went to the A string, 2nd fret. That's the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then it moved up to the 3rd fret in the same string, the A string. And it holds it there for a couple measures. 2, 2, 3, 4. All right. Good luck with that.